Ekyuma kyaffe ekipya kyekyo kikongula ate omugagga Zyra Baby yasazeeko. Laba emmotoka. Birabye iyo Benz kongula kozi mwagamba Zyra tamanyi mmotoka oguni nyoko. Bagamba mbu Zyra mumpi tamanyi mmotoka. Iyo ajivuga. So gagga ayagala kuba ate nga aterezaamu ekyuma.
Introducing the one and only, the influencer. Oh my God. There.
Abadde apakinze bubi. Yafunye bolotiki ekyuma ayina.
The blue mami.
Kiki ekyuma. Akati ekyuma kyo tukivuddeko tuli wano.
The blue mami.
Akube. Shoni we yagaliza.
How are you doing? Well, welcome. Bwana sokula bango sabu. Emukero kafulumye. Ayi. Ayi. Abantu bajja kwambala yate Zyra.
Ayambala.
She's really decent. Esawa zino. Bulotiki fetu jirina. Kati mkati imbo chimuga kati muga kolachi. Yeah, ina bulotiki. Okay? So
bija bigereke.
Sawa yo nado zechindo muchiraba. Aina kama wakati.
Kuchiraba changa abana babugo
banange ba Blue family, thank you for loving mommy.
Thank you for loving.
Bane mwebale mwagala obuntu nga buno kantu kali silver kalungi nnyo so tubagala nnyo. Blue mami nze mulina ate muyashe mugenda kolani agambayo kati ki mwe so
okay, azo wano ku BMW BA oba BMW collections. Yeah. Zekulaba atenga afuna ku kikumba. Naye omusipi nange kino kye bayita nti abaami bakolerera biwato. So this is the biwato abaami abasinga bibakolerera. Kati go omusipi sigutegedde mu ngeri y'omu oba endala.
oli
Bafani. Ogwa.
muli bulungi. Wow. To fit in.
Hello. Hi. Nice meeting you guys.
I was thinking you're too big, you're too small.
I'm tiny, not even small, I'm tiny.
So this is Zyra Baby. The one and only, the top influencer in Uganda. Okay? She's not a TikToker, but an influencer.
Yeah. So she's going to do something for us.
Yes.
I like it.
Gabriel BA Zyra Baby representing to the world, to the fullest. Yeah. Here we are.
Okay.
So,
I was looking at the king herself. I see she's making a movie now.
hey. Okay. So, what? First, these guys are going to go out. Then you first talk to Zyra.
Okay.
You tell her what you want exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.